Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic: Triumph over Adversities, from shadows to sunshine, building bridges of hope through shared struggles. This topic came to me through a conversation with my cousin, and as always, she wishes to remain anonymous. Let me begin by asking you a few questions. Have you ever stood in the face of a formidable challenge that felt like a mountain towering over you, casting a shadow over your life? Have you ever felt so alone in your struggle, like you're in an endless night, reaching out for a glimmer of dawn? Well, today I want to speak to your heart about these adversities and how they can lay the groundwork for bridges leading to transformative life changes. Take a moment and reflect on the last significant hurdle you faced. What fueled your courage to keep moving? Was it a flicker of hope, a silent prayer for a breakthrough, or the comforting hand of someone who whispered, "I understand. I have been there too"? This, my friends, is where adversity reveals its true strength, not merely in the overcoming, but in its power to weave our lives together in unexpected ways. How often have we let our battles turn us into islands, adrift and isolated, engulfed in the belief that our pain is ours alone to bear? I am here to tell you that we can choose a different path. What if we see our struggles as bridges, opportunities to extend our hand, to share in the pain and the healing? I want you to picture the unshakable bond of a community, a family, forged in the fires of shared struggles. Do you feel this unity's promises of support and collective growth? Now, I ask you to look within, deep within. How can the trials you have weathered become a lifeline to someone else? How can your story, etched with tears and resilience, become a lighthouse for others navigating similar stormy seas? We often don't realize the impact of our survival stories or how a shared experience can ignite a flame of hope in another's heart, in another person. In building bridges from our battles, we do more than transform our individual selves. We chart new paths for others, turning personal trials into victories that belong to us all of us. Imagine the profound strength in knowing that your journey and perseverance could be the thing that lights the way for someone else in their darkness. So let us not turn away from adversities. Let us embrace them with courage and use them to construct bridges of empathy, shared pain and strength, and growth born from our darkest moments. Let us think about how we can turn our struggles into tales of triumph, not solely for ourselves, but for everyone who walks beside us, who needs to hear that you are not alone. Together, through our shared tears and triumphs, the bridges we build can create a haven, a resilient community where positive life changes are not just a distant dream, but a reality within reach for each of us. Until we meet again on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose in pursuit of purpose.